When it comes to increasing the value of your home, many homeowners in Bel Air focus on remodeling kitchens, upgrading bathrooms, or adding curb appeal. However, one often overlooked yet highly effective improvement is installing new windows. Modern, energy-efficient windows not only enhance the aesthetics of your home but also offer long-term financial and functional benefits. If you're considering a home upgrade, here's how new windows can significantly improve your home's value in Bel Air. Boosts curb appeal and first impressions. First impressions matter, especially in the high-end market of Bel Air. Old, worn-out windows can make even the most well-maintained homes appear outdated. New windows add a fresh, modern touch, improving both the exterior and interior appearance of your home. Potential buyers are more likely to be drawn to a property that looks well cared for, increasing the chances of a quicker sale at a higher price. Increases energy efficiency and cost saving. In today's real estate market, buyers are increasingly looking for homes that are energy efficient. Older windows often have poor insulation, leading to significant energy loss, higher utility bills, and uncomfortable indoor temperatures. Modern energy-efficient windows, such as double-pane or triple-pane glass with low E coatings, help regulate indoor temperatures, reducing heating and cooling costs. According to Energy Star, replacing old windows with energy-efficient ones can save homeowners up to 30% on energy bills. This translates to long-term savings, which is an attractive selling point for potential buyers. Enhances natural light and indoor comfort. New windows, especially larger or strategically placed ones, allow more natural light to flow into your home. A brighter, well-lit space feels more inviting and spacious, which can positively influence a buyer's perception of your home. Additionally, new windows reduce drafts, enhance insulation, and help maintain a consistent indoor climate, increasing comfort for both you and future buyers. Improves home security and safety. Old windows may have weak frames or outdated locking mechanisms, making them a potential security risk. New windows come with advanced security features, including reinforced glass, multi-point locking systems, and impact-resistant materials, providing homeowners with peace of mind. Many buyers prioritize safety, so upgrading your windows can make your home more desirable. Reduces outside noise and increases privacy. Living in a bustling area like Bel Air means dealing with outside noise from traffic, neighbors, and even nearby events. Upgraded windows with soundproofing technology, such as laminated or double-glazed glass, significantly reduce noise pollution, creating a quieter and more peaceful living environment. Buyers looking for tranquility will see this as a major advantage. Lowers maintenance costs. Newer windows are designed to be low maintenance, with durable materials like vinyl, fiberglass, or composite frames that resist wear and tear. Some even feature tilt-in designs, making them easier to clean. Lower maintenance costs and convenience appeal to buyers who want a hassle-free home. Increases resale value with high ROI. According to Remodeling Magazine's Cost versus Value report, homeowners who invest in window replacement can expect to recoup 70–80% of the cost when selling their home. In a competitive market like Bel Air, where high-end properties need to stand out, new windows can give you a strong return on investment by adding to the overall desirability and marketability of your home. Meets local building codes and market trends. Older homes may have windows that no longer meet current building codes or energy efficiency standards. Replacing them ensures compliance, making your home more market-ready and avoiding potential issues during the selling process. Additionally, buyers are increasingly looking for smart home features, and modern windows with UV protection, smart locking systems, or automated shading can add another layer of appeal. Final thoughts. Investing in new windows is one of the smartest upgrades a homeowner in Bel Air can make. From enhancing curb appeal and energy efficiency to increasing security and resale value, the benefits are undeniable. Whether you're planning to sell your home soon or simply want to enjoy a more comfortable and valuable living space, new windows are a worthwhile investment. If you're ready to boost your home's value with high-quality window replacements, contact a trusted window installation company in Bel Air today and explore your options for a more efficient, stylish, and market-ready home.